Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to extract data from all of your emails in Gmail into Google Sheets. Now all you have to do is go to Google Workspace and download this add-on called Email Data Extractor. I already have it installed here, so I'll go here, open it, and you'll see here a basic form, not unlike your Gmail search bar. And so here I have some settings saved, and what I'll do is I'll go ahead and pre-fill my Google Workspace invoices. And so you'll see that there's a subject, a sender, a period, or a date range to search. And here I have it under rejects because the fields are different, but just for demonstration purposes, what I'll go ahead and do is I'll remove this and then I'll show you what happens. Since the format changes sometimes from email to email when whoever's on the back end is modifying the templates. So we'll just go text after, and then we'll click submit, and we'll see what kind of data we get here. Now, as you can see, we have some empty spaces here, and that's because in some of the original emails, a semicolon wasn't present. And that's why we had the options to use regular expressions and give an option to either search for the domain with a semicolon or without. And so if we go ahead and let's say, for example, we clear all that and we search again, we'll see that we get all of the details formatted correctly. So that's an example of just getting data from Gmail extremely easily. There's another example here. Let's say, for example, in Calendly, if you wanted to get something from all of the appointments that were sent, you can just go ahead and use the end of next line, because Calendly formats the data to be present underneath the line of the text that's available. So there's a few different options that you can use to extract data. And so we'll go ahead and import that data, and you'll see we get the subject, email, date, we have the event type, we have the invitee and the invitee email. So there you go. Easy way to import emails and extract data from Gmail into Google Sheets.